Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a new file on desktop. So this is my desktop. Then you simply need to click the right mouse cursor and here you can see different options. You simply need to click on new and here you can see different options. You can create folder, shortcut and the list is so on. So I want to create a doc file. Click here. So here you can see that a file is created. Now I want to change the name, so I want to change it to my office work. So now you can see that a file is created. Now you can edit it by open it. So this is the process how you can create a new file on desktop. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.